Yo, I think we broke the Lamborghini. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. Haven't seen you guys in a while. We are waiting for parts. I got a couple of updates in this video, a couple of things going on. So first things first, what I wanted to show you guys is the X1. So maybe like a month ago, I posted a video on a 2018 BMW X1 with a super light front damage, and we actually got it all fully repaired and fully finished. And I want to show you guys the condition of the vehicle and just how it looks super quickly. Welcome back to a beautiful weather in Seattle. Ta-da! We got the entire front end fixed up. I actually repaired that hood and repaired that bumper. Gaps on it look phenomenal. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, this is just perfect. Everything's perfect. Car is basically all finished, ready for sale. So if you guys are interested in 2018 X1 all-wheel drive, 28,000 miles, $21,500 plus minus. Quickly show you guys the interior because it was kind of trashed. Oh, I grabbed the wrong key. Ready? Go ahead and peek inside that. Literally brand new. Shout out to my boy Paul right there. He's the one that detailed this entire thing. Look at this, just insane. Just a brand new car. So that's the first thing, we got that out of the way. Next thing I want to show you guys is our G80 M3 conversion kit that we got going on. So come over here. As you guys know, beautiful G80. We got a nice little front end wreck. I'm waiting for parts. And honestly, it kind of sucks because I'm gonna have to wait quite a while for some parts. I think so. A lot of parts are on back order, whatnot. But you know, we're mocking up some things over here. We're making this F22, right? F22 front end fit up here. No, this is all jokes, literally just for TikTok. So many people are mad. You guys should check out my TikTok. It's literally funny. This is what we're working on. Trying to get that quarter panel pulled out and whatnot. It was actually really bad condition, that quarter panel, but we got all the structure stuff kind of good. I'll show you what I mean. So the gaps, everything's perfect. This lines up great as well. I got to weld that in. It was side swiped against the guardrail or some kind of barrier. I don't know what it was. And it thinned down the metal so much that look at this. Look at this. That's literally a hole right there. Like I can reach inside and there's a hole. Anyways, we're not gonna waste much time on that. What we gotta do right now is address the issue with my Huracan. So on my Huracan, I refilled the windshield washer fluid, and then a couple days later, it shows that I'm low on windshield washer fluid. It happened once. I was like, okay, did I really not refill the washer fluid? I'm confused because I had literally no lights in the dash. And then I refilled it one day. I parked it in my garage, and I wake up and there's a puddle, and I got worried that I was coolant. And I dabble my finger in it and, you know, do one of those little taste tests, mechanic taste tests. And it turns out it's just some headlight washer fluid, I'm assuming. I'm assuming it's leaking from somewhere here because the puddle was under here. So what we're gonna do is actually tear off the front bumper, get that repaired, get that situated. After we're done with that, we're gonna hop onto the interior of the G80 M3, strip that interior. Let's get right into it, guys. So that just happened. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, we'll have to figure that out another day. That worked. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna stop me from stealing these wheels. So loud. The neighbor's gonna wake up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour in some fluid now and see what's really going on, because I don't know where it's leaking from, and that's all I'm here to address. So let's get some water. Water. See, I got it? Oh man. Yeah, that was ass. The thing is, it doesn't spill fast. So that's where it gets interesting, you know? Guys, so we're almost done taking off this bumper. I really forgot how much of a pain in the butt it was to remove this bumper, but I did mistake the side of the, whatever it's called, windshield washer, the blinker fluid leak. It's actually on this side, and you guys can see it's dripping right there. Drip, drip. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this side of the bumper off, and then I have 2 more screws at the very bottom, and I should be able to get this thing fully off. Let's do it. Yeah, so I just actually found out why it's leaking. So look at that. I guess during installation or something. Hang on, let me see if I can give you guys a direct light. How do I do this? Oh, there it is. So right there, you can see a crack right there. See that? Hopefully it's visible. Come on, there it is. Oh yeah, it's visible. So yeah, I gotta get a new windshield washer thingy here. I don't know, I gotta order it. I mean, it's typical, pretty common part, so I gotta order it. It should be here 2-3 days. Guys, minor interruption. I called Lamborghini dealership in Bellevue. I called Audi in Linwood. I called basically everywhere, and they said this piece here is 10 to 14 days out. So what I went ahead and did is I just quickly super glued it, and we're gonna order one from eBay or something. And once that comes in, we'll swap it out. But for the meantime, you know, just so it wouldn't leak or run or anything like that, we just super glued it, and it seems like it's holding. We kind of did a little pressure test and whatnot. But let's get this on. Quickly assemble this front end. I have somebody that wants to use the car for a wedding tomorrow, so that's why I can't really like put on pods. I need to get this thing back on the vehicle and get the vehicle basically back on its feet. But I'm super pumped. I'm gonna get through this right quickly, get the bumper back on, and we're gonna hop over to the G80 M3. G80 M2. So let's go. We're gonna take extra set of hands and extra caution for this. Yo, check it out. We got it all complete. I'm super pumped. There's no leaks or anything like that. We got the gaps realigned. Everything is just cheeky peeky. Before we start working on the G80 M3, guys, there's this one mod that I couldn't wait to install on my Huracan. Follow me to the office. Come here. Man, it's been so long. I've had this steering wheel for like 4 months, but you guys know I've been off YouTube with all the stuff going on and whatnot, but I'm finally back, and I cannot wait to install this right here. Humongous shout out to Ozza Auto Wheel for this steering wheel. Check me out. Look at that, forged carbon, Alcantara. We got the shift lights, we got the LED display up here. Everything you see is forged carbon. This ain't that stuff, you know, this ain't that cheap stuff you buy off Alibaba or whatnot, where it comes and you gotta wrap it yourself. This one here is very specific for me. I'll tell you guys why. I know some of y'all hate this, but some of you guys will love this. It's got the M colors on a Huracan. We got the M colors on the Huracan. So let's hop on inside the Huracan, get this thing installed quickly, and then work on the G80 M3. Check me out. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Yo. Check that out. Check that difference out.
Holy moly.
Dude, this is no joke. This honestly, this leather right here is kind of outdated. I'm not gonna lie. This kind of looks funky. Imagine this. Just ka-chow. We got Alcantara here, Alcantara on the dash, forged carbon, Alcantara on the roof. Look at that perfect match. What are we saying? All right, guys, let's get this steering wheel airbag out. Swap over all this stuff. Get it fired up. Do not try this at home.
Did you unplug the battery?
Nope. I'm a risky one. Imagine it blows up after you unplug it. Okay. Let me put this down here for now. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, let's figure out this wiring here though. I'm scared it's gonna blow. That is extremely loud, but I think I found a correct wire. Should we? Oh shoot. See if it still works. Oh my God! Yo, I honestly think this steering wheel made it faster. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but this thing is just insane. We're gonna go ahead and turn that traction control right back on because a little slippery outside, you know? Let me tell you guys this, the steering wheel is the #1 best mod you can do to a car, trust me. You're sitting inside here 24/7, this is what you're touching, this is what you're seeing, you know? Honestly, that Lamborghini stock Huracan leather one was kind of basic and it looked, you know? This here makes you actually feel like you're driving an expensive car because, like for example, the Aventador, the Murcielago steering wheel, it looks so outdated, it looks hideous, you know? Sure, if you mod it to something like this, it's just gonna look absolutely phenomenal. But it's a little bit moist outside, so we're gonna do a couple of donuts for you guys. We have a little spot down here where it's basically just the border of Mexico, you know? So it's all legal, but yeah. Baby, yo! That's like, oh fuck, just hydroplaning. Yo, what even is that? That's not a rainbow, is it? That looks like a whole leprechaun base. I don't know. That thing is thick, no joke. And as I was saying, I just want some pictures with that rainbow outside, so let's go see what's going on out there, you know? This right here, just my typical routine for work, you know? This is the morning drive. You know, so we basically go like this. Should I do some more sends or what? Yo, I think we broke the Lamborghini. It literally died. Let's get out of here, yo. It says 4-wheel drive overheating. Ready for a launch?
Ready.
Oh, whoa. That was insane. Were you expecting that?
Heck no.
I was not expecting that. That gripped up like a bad boy. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. My dad. Guys, we're back from our test drive. Right now what we gotta do is actually get that headliner dropped, and I'm having a little issue. So I don't know how to get that headliner out of there, like legitimately speaking. We usually don't replace headliners, we kind of fix them. Usually they're not bad, so we just kind of, you know, tuck them back in and it's fine, you can't tell anything. But this one is ripped and I wanna get it replaced. So let's get it popped off and go from there. we installed curtains in this bad boy too. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and try to lower the seats as much as we can and get this headliner out of here. If not, I think we have to start pulling seats, and if not, then we have to cut the rear glass. You can sleep on these. Okay, we got the damaged one out, but that ain't cool, you know, because we ain't gonna do the same thing with the good one, so. It's only half the work. Oh, let's see what it looks like inside there. Hopefully we didn't damage anything. We're good here. Good up here. Seat, good, good, good. I think we're good. Look at that carbon roof. Look at that carbon roof. So we got the headliner out. That was basically what we wanted to do with the car. Now we can actually pull the seat belts out. I mean, you don't really need to pull the headliner, but we kind of have the interior torn off so we can pop off these panels, send the seat belts off to L&D, get those repaired. That way we have that ready for when we have the new headliner. But guys, I wanted to mention two things before I wrap this video up. First things first is that I was quite surprised that there's actually a lot of used parts for this car. I mean, not a lot, but so far 3 people hit me up for like part outs. But unfortunately, they don't have kind of the parts I need. I'm waiting for one more guy to reply because he says he has a lot of front end parts. So I'm hoping that he has a lot of that stuff. I'm not trying to do dealer for one reason, wait time. Wait time is ridiculous. I'm fine with dealer prices, you know, whatever. I mean, it is what it is at this point. I know it's an expensive car. I know the parts are gonna be expensive. Yes, it'd be nice to save money, but the main thing here is save time. You know, if the dealer can tell me, hey, 2 weeks, all your parts will be in, boom, ordered. You know, but that's not the issue. Second thing is, IAAI has actually responded to me regarding the mirrors. That's all I'm gonna say. So I don't know if it's a good thing, if it's a bad thing. We'll see what we can do. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Follow me on Instagram, BYBTim. Smash that subscribe button. Show a like, drop a comment down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. The next one's the best one. Peace out.